This vlog is gonna be all over the place. Hi guys, so I just want to talk to you guys real quick, but before I do, I'm going to go to my car just because I feel more comfortable there. 1 second. Hi guys, so I'm in my car now. A lot has been on my mind lately. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I am going to start off by saying I fucked up my face. I really did. Like, that started off as a blackhead and I was trying to pop it and it was being difficult because it was like really in there. My nails was just scratching me up, whatever. So now it's just it's like bruised and there's a scab there. It's just, I don't know why I do this to myself. I really don't. I really do not know why I do this. I know it's not good to pop your pimples and I will try not to. Well, let's be real, I am still going to pop my pimples when it comes to the whiteheads because they get on my nerves and I do not like to see them. They get really big and I know I shouldn't because I literally have a whole bunch of marks on my face because of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just not going to pop blackheads, only the ones that are very noticeable and I need to get them off my face. Other than that, I'm just going to leave them because this is ridiculous. No, I can't do it no more. I really can't. On to the topic. I just wanted to sit here and talk to you guys a little bit. Lately, to better my YouTube and whatnot, I've been trying to, and by lately I mean like recently, I really want to focus on showing my personality more. Like right now, when I go places, record it, just do what I have to do, you know? For me, that is really hard to do because I am a shy person. It may not look like it, but I am really shy. So when I see people staring at me, it kind of freaks me out. I get anxiety just thinking about talking to somebody. I'm trying to get over that, and the only way to do that is to just do it, right? So I want to challenge myself because I love making vlogs. I'm just scared to record myself, and I get some people don't want to be in my vlogs, which is fine, so I won't record them, but I still need to be able to bring my camera and record. I bring my phone and sometimes record things, but I need to get over myself and just bring my camera. I don't have a lot of space on my phone. I have a lot of storage on there, but it's all taken up because I like to take videos and pictures and I don't like to delete them. It's memories, okay? But anyways, I just need to do better. I need to start taking my stuff off my phone. It's taking up a lot of space and I don't have space for anything on there. Let me just set you guys up real quick and then I will continue with what I'm actually here to talk about. If you're still here, thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's get it. I hope you can see me. Like, I'm gonna just, let me see, right there. I feel like it's dark as hell, but then again, it's just, I don't know. I hope my camera doesn't overheat because it is in the sun right now. It's not directly in the sun, but it is hot right there. I probably should move it somewhere else. Lately, I've been trying to do better and be more productive when it comes to my YouTube channel because I really do want this to be a job of mine and I enjoy it completely. I want to be able to speak my mind, be confident like I am now. I have been drinking a little bit just to calm my nerves because I am a shy person. So this is not me pretending. I'm just confident. I am happy and I really want to do better for myself. I want to be more productive. One thing I've been doing lately is watching different videos about how to be productive, how to be successful with YouTube, how to just do better in general when it comes to doing things for yourself. There's one person that I'm watching and her videos are so helpful. I can't remember her name at the moment because she is still new to me, but I've been really finding her videos helpful. Like, she is amazing and she helps a lot when it comes to starting your own YouTube and all that. And I'm like, I really want to incorporate those things into my life. This year I wanted to do that regardless, so I started journaling, and that's one of the things she talks about as well. Writing down what you want in your day. I was doing that, I just didn't live up to it. And some of the things that I'm going to start doing again, I already have tried. Like when I rewatch my videos, I noticed that I stopped doing the things that I need to do to make it look better. I even talked about it in the vlogs, but I wanted to try making my vlogs more interesting. So I did little things here and there just to make it look better, and it looks really good. I'm looking back at them, I'm like, wow, why did I even stop? And I'm mad at myself. I'm like, my vlogs would be so much better if I just kept on incorporating those little details and spending more time with the filming and editing to make it look good. So I want to do that again. So starting now, I want to start putting more time into my editing and me filming the videos, because now I don't do little things that people want to see, which sucks, because if I'm interested in doing it, why don't I just do it myself? But it's just time consuming, so I haven't been doing it. But let's be real, I need to do it if I want to be successful. So her videos are really helpful for me. And first of all, hold on, it is hot as... I need to turn my car on and continue this conversation. And I hope you guys are still here. Okay, now that my car cooled off a bit, I sat it up right here and it makes more sense. So I always use my calendar because I just like to make sure I have everything written down compared to just on my phone, because my phone tends to delete stuff and I want to have everything documented. So I've been doing that for some years now. But with this journal, it allows you to write stuff, and I'm like, that's perfect. So I've been writing stuff, making sure I hold myself accountable. I put a check mark whenever I do something that I say I'm gonna do, and an X when I do not. Hold that thought, I'm gonna wait until he leaves. Now that he's gone, back to what I was saying. Journaling. I want to do better with this because I want this to be my career. I want to do really good with YouTube and make money off of it. I really enjoy doing it. I really enjoy editing the videos, even though it takes forever. It gets stressful at times, but I really enjoy making the content. So I really want to do really good with this, and to help me, I need to put in the work more than I actually do. So I want to be more productive. One of the ways for me to be productive, I need to just wake up, get ready for the day, like literally get dressed for the day. It makes you feel better. My fiance always tells me, and it actually does help. Getting dressed in the beginning of the day makes you want to be more productive, especially when you try to fix your mindset to be more productive and do better for whatever it is that you're doing. So I've been trying my best to wake up and just get ready. Sometimes I struggle with that a little bit because I like to be comfortable. I like to wake up, drink my tea, coffee, whatever it is, and just enjoy life. But if your job requires you to stay home or whatever, then you should probably get dressed and you'll feel more confident about whatever it is that you need to do. So I need to start doing that. I hate hearing it, but it does help, and I want to incorporate that a little bit more into what I do. Sadly to say, hearing other people say that makes you want to do better. It's just hearing your partner say these things to you is like, no, I would rather be comfortable in my PJs for a long period of the day instead of getting dressed in the beginning of the day. We created a YouTube channel just so that we could put our reaction videos on, because for this channel, I want to have beauty, hair, and vlogs. I don't want to just have a whole bunch of random things on there. I love vlogs, so I'm going to keep that. It even says it in the bio. Beauty, hair, and vlogs. That's mainly what I want to put on here. So for the reaction videos, I'm going to have a separate channel for that, and it's going to be a couples channel. I will link that to you guys when we're done setting it up and everything, and I'm going to start posting on there the reaction videos. I really want to focus on being better when it comes to everything YouTube related. I need to put more time into it, especially when it comes to vlogs. I want to make the videos as interesting to watch as I used to do when I was trying, because I did good. I was rewatching those videos and it just looks really good. So I don't know why. I just really don't know why I stopped. I keep saying that, but I don't. I was supposed to post a video today. I was editing it, but as I'm editing it, it's taking me a little longer because I'm trying to incorporate some of those things and make it look more interesting to watch and just take time with it instead of just hurrying up so I could just upload it. So as I was sitting there, I wrote down a few things. Since I was nervous, I just wanted to be more myself. I did drink a little bit, but I don't want to drink just to make videos, just so I can feel comfortable. I want to be able to be this way when I am sober. So I am going to try my best to just be me, try not to be shy and worry about people hearing me. Let me get this car real quick. Hello? What up, bruh? I'm vlogging. Okay, y'all, that's basically it. I was just rambling throughout this whole video. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about me and how I want to better myself. I'm really happy right now. Like, I couldn't be happier. I just want you guys to know that I appreciate you guys. If you guys are not subscribing to my channel yet, subscribe. I noticed I have a lot more people that don't subscribe to my channel watching my videos than I do the people that do subscribe. So subscribe if you're watching still. If you're still watching, subscribe, you know? Like, I'm really trying to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark for my milestones, so can you please help your girl out? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It only takes but 1 second, a half a second if you will. I don't think I have anything more to talk about besides the fact that I keep fucking up my face throughout the whole video. I know it's just there, but just ignore that. I'll do better. I won't be popping the bumps no more, okay? Besides the ones that are ready to get popped. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Like, I really do. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you like this video. I want to try new things, so if you have anything you would like to see me try, anything, just let your girl know and I'll do it for you. Have a great day. Coming by, he's like driving so slow so he can see me. I'm sure you can. Yep. Hi. Okay, so just staring at me. It's so weird. Like, I do have tinted windows, but I know he can see me. Anyways, he was just staring. I hate this with this because there is a little net in here. Oh my god. I feel like my car is loud. I'm gonna turn that off. Okay.